Hello, today I will be giving you a Blizzard Fruits showcase. First move, Snowflake Shuriken. Hold down for all 6 and tap for 2 Shuriken. Second move is Whiteout. It spawned a tornado that stuns and carry away your opponent. Third move, Howling Wind. It spawns a tornado that stuns your opponent, and you can control where it spawns. Fourth move, Blizzard Domain. It spawns a domain that has a lot of range and deals damage. The fifth move, Tornado Flight. You start riding on a tornado. It is slow in my opinion, but it deals a lot of damage when you fly over your opponent. That's the showcase, hope you liked it. I made this for all my Blizzard Fruit users. I am a Blizzard main too. Like and subscribe if you liked the video. Goodbye, see you in the next video.